In this video, I will show you how to create a professional business landing page using Base44. Let's get started. I begin by typing a detailed prompt into the main text box describing the landing page I want to build, which includes an About section, a 3-column services showcase grid, and a modern footer with social icons. Once I click to create, the platform automatically starts designing the website and generating the layout based on my specifications. I watch as the AI sets up the design tokens, generates images for the hero and About sections, and builds all the components in parallel. After the generation process is complete, the platform presents a clean, minimalist, and fully responsive landing page with elegant typography and a cohesive color palette. The final result is a professional, high-end business site that perfectly matches my original description, featuring a well-structured layout and sophisticated design elements that are ready for immediate use. Finally, I open the Publish panel to set the visibility to public, and with a click, my new website is live and ready to share with the world. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.